Hi everybody. Today's focus, I'm going to perform a laundry strip on some old bath towels. So I'm still feeling a bit under the weather this week, so instead of performing some bacteria testing, I figured I would do something that I've been putting off for a long time, and that is performing a laundry strip on some old bath towels. So I had heard about laundry stripping about, 15, 16 years ago when I was using cloth diapers on my kids when they were babies. Yet I never really looked into it more than just hearing people say, oh, you should probably strip your diapers every once in a while. Then I joined this really awesome Facebook group that I absolutely loved. Now, I am not affiliated with this Facebook group. I just absolutely love it. So it's called Laundry, Love, and Cleaning Science. I love this Facebook group, and they often are talking about stripping laundry. They also have a really awesome website. It's fortheloveofclean.com. All sorts of cleaning information on that site. But what I'm most interested in learning how to do today is strip my laundry. Basically, stripping your laundry is a way to remove any buildup that's on the fabrics, like things like minerals or soap deposits or even perfumes, dyes, anything from laundry detergent that doesn't get rinsed out clean. So on the website they show two options for how you can strip your laundry. One is to create your own do-it-yourself laundry treatment, or you can use RLR laundry treatment packets. So that's what I'm going to use today. I'm going to use 3 of these laundry treatment packets. How do you strip your laundry? First, you start with clean laundry, so I'm going to wash the towels before I strip them. I'm not going to dry them, but I am going to wash them. Then you fill your bathtub halfway or so with the hottest water that you can get. Dissolve 3 packets of this RLR laundry treatment. Add the towels and agitate them. Stir them every 45 minutes to an hour for about 4 hours until the water has cooled off. Squeeze out the towels and throw them in the wash machine and do a wash on them without adding any extra soap. Let's get started and see how dirty the water gets after I perform a laundry strip on some old bath towels. So it was really great to see all the stuff that the RLR laundry treatment was able to pull out of my so-called clean bath towels. The water was super murky and gray and gross. I think I want to try laundry stripping some of my husband's white t-shirts that he wears when he's working on our cars. They get really greasy and grimy, and they never really look super clean when I'm done laundering them. So I think I'm going to try laundry stripping those next. And if you haven't checked out that website or Facebook group, let me remind you of it again. Again, I'm not affiliated with them at all, but I absolutely love their website and Facebook group. So the website is fortheloveofclean.com. in the Facebook group Laundry Love and Cleaning Science. Have you tried stripping your laundry before? If you have, put in the comments section how it went for you, because I'm curious to see how many people actually do laundry stripping. I think I want to start stripping a lot more stuff now after seeing all that stuff that I pulled out of my clean towels. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. Take care. Have yourselves a great day.